Just gonna show you how I deaded them. Look how pretty. This spot here is from Job Lot Ocean State, and I stain it. These I got from Walmart. They were like dead. And then here, the Timo fountain. It's solar. It's very pretty and relaxing. So let me step down so you can see. You can see how big these gotten over the time. Really big. From here. So watch what's going. Fountain's going. So now my shadow is over it. You see? It's fighting. Because it's straight up solo. That's the only downside of it. But watch this. Move away, and there is literally, look at the water. It gives up a nice piece. And then over here we have these here. One thing though, they get messy, you see. They get messy. And the begonias. But they're looking good. Again, here it's really messy. And then it just keeps springing. Look how nice and pretty that is. And this is a pot that I already had. It's really big, very big. It's a 22 inches and it's very sturdy. So I keep the flowers water. The next thing is that water goes down. Again, you can see how high it's going because the sun is up. Comes with different type of tips and stuff. So yeah, if I want, I could change the nozzle.